Kia ora everyone, Paris here from JB, and today we're taking note of the reMarkable 2, an incredible e-ink tablet for note-taking. Replace your notebooks and printouts with the only tablet that feels like paper with an unbeatable writing experience. It's designed to help you focus, and you can have all your notes, to-do lists, PDFs and ebooks perfectly organized and accessible in one place. Let's dive right in and cover off some awesome things that the reMarkable 2 can do. The writing experience on this is amazing. It feels like you're writing on paper and has virtually instant response when using the marker pen. And because of the e-ink display, it looks like you're reading off paper too, so you can comfortably read PDFs or ebooks for hours on end without backlight glare or eye strain. It really is as close to paper as it gets in a digital tablet form, and is truly a pleasure to both read from and write on. All this is going to help level up your note-taking. You could transform your handwritten notes with powerful tools like undo, erase, copy, paste, resize, move, and layers. And one of the most asked for features when I'm talking to customers about tablet and pen devices is, can this convert handwritten notes into typed text? The answer is yes. The reMarkable 2 can absolutely do that. The reMarkable 2 also helps to keep all your work organized and allows you to say goodbye to paper clutter. You can use folders, tags, and pretty much unlimited pages to keep all your notes and documents organized and easy to find. reMarkable can also access, sync, and store files with cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. The reMarkable 2 is so light and thin, it really is made to be used anywhere. The 2-week battery keeps you going without the need or worry to charge all the time. That's mostly thanks to that beautiful 10.3-inch e-ink display using up very little battery life. There are so many great uses for this device. In the workplace, you can read and review reports and presentations by writing your thoughts directly onto the page, or add a blank one if your ideas really start to flow. And signing PDFs and taking notes is very handy here too. If you're studying, you can easily jot down notes and illustrations and convert some of that into text to use in later assignments. And it's great at home too, for shopping lists, party planning, and chilling out while reading an ebook. The last thing I wanted to mention as I wrap up here is how reMarkable 2 will help you focus. There's no pop-up ads, notifications from social media, endless doom scrolling to get caught up into, because it doesn't have any of that. The reMarkable 2 simply helps you find the focus you need to do your best work. There's a heaps to love here with the reMarkable 2, and I'm super impressed about how this device works and what it can do for you. So, to check one out for yourself, pop into your local JB, or of course you can always shop online at jbhi-fi.co.nz.